Welcome to Maths for E channel. A past question on trigonometry. Solve the equation x squared theta plus 2 tan theta equal 4. The values we have to find in between 0 and 360. Let me write that question again. X squared theta plus 2 tan theta equal 4. We need to sort of change this into one form of the trigonometry, so easier to change it to tan. Sec squared theta equal 1 plus tan squared theta is general form or formula or the trigonometry identity. When you use that, sec squared theta equal 1 plus tan squared theta. Just substitute 1 plus tan squared theta for sec squared theta. If you do so, 1 plus tan squared theta plus 2 tan theta equal 4, and bring 4 to this side and rearranging it, tan squared theta plus 2 tan theta plus 1 minus 4. So that will give us tan squared theta plus 2 tan theta minus 3. So the quadratic equation in tan theta. So we can actually find the factors of these quadratic, the linear factors of the quadratic equation. So just put a little cross, tan theta, 3 and minus 1. So tan theta, tan squared theta, 3 tan theta minus tan theta is plus 2 tan theta, and minus 1 times 3 is minus 3. So this is the factors. So tan theta minus 1, one factor. The other one is tan theta plus 3. So let's take tan theta minus 1. So tan theta equal 1, theta equal pi by 4 or 45. That's the standard value. 1 is 45. We can't stop it there. We need to get more values because of the range which we have been given is 0 to 360. So we use the general form of tan theta. Our tan function is theta equal n pi plus the theta, which is 45, the prime value of the theta, 45. So just to start from, say, n equals 0, if we use that, we end up with 45. That's the prime value which we found. And then if it's use n equal 1, n times 1 is n times pi, so 1 times pi, this is 180 plus 45 is 225. Then n equal 2, 180 times 2, 360 plus 45, that is out of range, is greater than 360, out of range. So we could stop it there, and we don't need to go in the minus direction. Right here, we could start with the tan theta plus theta, so plus 3 equals 0. So tan theta equal minus 3 and theta equal tan inverse 3. Use the calculator. The value for theta is minus 72. That is out of range, but we just keep it to find other values. So general form, theta again, tan, general form of tan is theta equal n pi plus minus 72. That's a prime value which we have found. So n equals 0, we end up with this minus 72. This out of range, this less than 0. So we just leave that out. N equal 1, and that is 1 times 180 minus 72, 108. And then n equal 2, 360 minus 72 is 280 within the range. And n equal 3 is greater than 360. That's not the real thing. So we can stop it there. So the values we have found for the equation is theta equal 45, 108, 225, and 288. So 4 values for that particular equation. For value for theta for that satisfying the particular equation. But those of you don't remember or don't know this general form for tan theta, the n pi plus theta, we can use this the graph. You could use the graph to find the value. So just the graph for sine, cos, and tan is very standard. Everyone should know about it. So it's best to use the graph, or just for another method of finding the values with the graph. So let's do that. So let me draw that tan graph. So that 1, 2. So this is, say, minus pi by 2, 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, and one more, 2 pi. So the tan graph normally is sort of is from the minus infinity, go through there, and minus infinity, go through there, and minus infinity, go through this way. So it's very the graph is not very good. Please bear with me. So the first value is 45. That is in between 0 and pi by 2. So I say somewhere here. That's the value. So if you look at that line, if you draw a line there, is with this is beyond this one, beyond this to 360. So it's anything here. We have this value 45, 225. Those are the two values we have with this 45. This is 45. This is 225. And then again we found minus 72, say somewhere here. So we draw a line. Then this is, we don't want that. Of course we do need this. This is greater than 90 and less than pi. This is what we found. Just all you do is just if you look at 72, it's 18 less than 90. So here it's just 18 greater than 90. It's 108. And then if you go there and 270, then add 3 pi by 2, 270, add another 18, that gives you 288. So you can use the graph and find the values if you like. If you prefer to use the graph, and if you forget that general form of tan, then use this one. This is I kind of prefer this way. Use the graph to find the values. It's more pictorial, more visible. So yeah, please accept my apologies for this. The graph is a bit mess. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel and share the contents with other students and friends. Thank you.